Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For this project you need Arduino Uno, 8x8 dot matrix, and joystick module, and few jumper wires. In this code I have added LED control.h library. Go to library manager and search for LED control library. I've already installed it, so it's showing installed. You should proceed and install it. This is for the how should the snake be if it bites and point. DIN of LED matrix to digital pin number 12 on Arduino Uno, and CS pin of LED matrix to digital pin number 11 on Arduino Uno, clock pin of LED matrix to digital pin number 10 on Arduino Uno, this would give in the short form as mentioned below. X-axis pin of joystick module to analog pin number 3 on Arduino Uno, Y-axis pin of joystick module to analog pin number 4 on Arduino Uno. Select the correct board and ports. I am selecting Arduino Uno as my board, and COM5 port that is connected to Arduino Uno. Hit the compile button. After compiling, hit the upload button. Now it's uploading. After uploading, remove your Arduino Uno from your laptop or PC. LED matrix and take female to male jumper wires. Now connect the male to female jumper wires to the LED matrix. After connecting the wires, now take joystick module and connect the male to female jumper wires to it. Here is the circuit diagram. You can take a screenshot, and also you can find it in the description. Connect VCC of matrix to 5V pin on Arduino Uno, and ground pin of matrix to ground pin on Arduino Uno. DIN pin of matrix to digital pin number 12 on Arduino Uno, and clock pin of matrix to pin number 11 on Uno, and CS pin of matrix to digital pin number 10 on Uno. After connecting the matrix, take joystick module, connect ground of joystick to ground on Arduino Uno, and VCC pin to 5V. If you don't have external 5V, take breadboard and connect both the modules to the breadboard and connect it with 5V pin. Now X pin of joystick to analog pin number 3 on Uno, and Y pin of joystick to A4 on Arduino Uno. I am once again showing the circuit diagram. Here is the working. As you can see, the snake is moving, and I am controlling with joystick. As I move to left, it move to left, and to down, and if I move again left and top and so on, you can do like be over. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe for more videos.